So chat, we need all of you in the chat to what? Dude, I'm so stupid. I put the chair. Okay, chat, y'all. Everyone shut the hell up.
You having some trouble?
How are you gonna get over it?
Bro. If you do that one more time.
What are you gonna do, Creek?
I'm gonna turn your stream off.
Oh, that's
okay. I won't do it. I won't do it. I won't do it. I won't do it. I won't. I promise.
I'm gonna leave your house, and half of these people watching are gonna go bye-bye.
Don't touch me with your butt.
Dude, I tripped.
Bro, no you did not.
Oh crap, I dropped my water bottle. Okay, chat. Should we start the challenge? What?
You plopped to the floor.
Yeah, because the mic's right here.
No, it's just funny. Like, you went.
Bro, he's literally like a crisscross
It looks
applesauce.
like you're ready for, like, kindergarten.
I am.
Oh.
Okay. All right, so, yo, thanks for the $20, HD Harold.
That's not even me.
Guys, chill, bro. Steak has a big head. Shut your ass up, little kid.
A few moments later.
Everyone say, hi, YouTube. Everyone say, hi, YouTube in the chat. We're going to start the challenge.
What are we doing?
Okay, I will explain the rules. Okay. So, let me explain the rules. Today, I have gathered some of my best friends, and we are going to be doing You Laugh, You Lose. They're going to be filling their mouths.
Yeah, you're only one.
They're going to be filling their mouths with water. If any water comes out from the videos that you send us, they lose. Now, we got 30 minutes on the clock.
Wait, I gotta prepare.
Best of luck. Get your laughs out. Get them out. Get them out.
She laughs super easily. So
Hold on, I gotta prepare.
Yeah, she's cooked. Chat, put your predictions. Who gonna win? Who gonna win? All right.
If I prepare, I'm gonna win.
Is anybody gonna match my freak?
Taking it.
Well, no. Okay. 3.
Wait.
Here. What is so funny?
The way you're sitting. Okay. Oh my god, your crack is out.
Ew.
What? No, it's not. Chat, she's lying. It's not out. See?
Why would you show? We can't even see.
Okay. Shush. I'm going to start the challenge. Okay. 3, 2, 1. No laughing. Whoever. Okay, Lana. We'll give you another chance. Okay.
Creekcraft might have just told me that he's gay. He's gay. Let me show you. So as you know, me have a complicated.
Wait,
I don't know what that was. Anyway, okay.
Dude, she's gonna make me laugh.
Yeah, we started.
Creekcraft might have just accidentally told me that he's gay. Let me show you. So as you know, me and Creekcraft have a complicated history.
No.
And just received word that the President of the United States has arrived and will attempt to make first contact.
Hello, everybody. My name is Markiplier, and welcome.
This is what you want. So, that's it. Enough talk. Shrimp Alfredo.
Hey, crap. Shut the fuck up. Bro, I'm actually gonna get demonetized. What?
Yeah. Tornadoes.
Your mom never loved you. Your dad left you. Your grandma hates you. And you're also gonna grow up to be me. Sticking out your gap in the Rizzler. You're so skibbity. You're so phantom tax. I just wanna be your Sigma. I just wanna be your Sigma.
D's Big Nuts. Written by Mark Thunder. D was a squirrel who had big nuts.
What the hell was that? Is that your little intro? It's like those Mr. Beast videos where they made fun of people's bad intros.
You don't have to wear that.
A spice bust in Guyot was the reason for the Revolutionary War. My name is Gerard Washington, and I am familiar with W. Guyot's and Ice Spice Riz.
This water's pretty good.